Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today you guys are gonna love this. I get this question so many times. Maurice, how do I set aside time to build my agency? I'm working, I'm busy, I don't have time to make cold calls, yada, 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 yada. Well, today's your lucky day. I'm gonna show you guys how to find the time to build your SMMA agency. Okay, this is important because, ladies and gentlemen, you don't want to neglect the important things in your life. If you neglect to do the important things in your life, ladies and gentlemen, you will not be able to enjoy the finer things in life. Okay, because let's face it, ladies and gentlemen, the good things in life require us to be self-disciplined and to be committed. Okay, if you're not self-disciplined and you're not committed, you may as well turn this video off right now. You're not going to be able to make the money you want to make in social media marketing. Because here's the thing, it's going to require time, energy, and money. Write those three things down. In order to be successful in SMMA and to set aside the right time, you're gonna need to commit to time, energy, and money. Okay, period. All right, so I'm going to show you guys what I do, what has helped me to be successful in SMMA as far as my time is concerned. Because, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something. You can waste time and you can waste money. But the thing about wasting time, you never get it back. If you waste money, you can get it back. Okay, you can blow $100, but you can't blow 3 or 4 hours. Okay, because you can never get them back. All right, so what I want you to do is put value on your time. Okay, write that down. Put value on your time. That's why I always recommend you guys buy courses, get a coach. Okay, because you don't want to go through something that if you got a course or a coach that would take you 6 months to do, but if you do it on your own, it'll take you a whole year or 2 years or 3 years. And that's what most of you guys are doing. Don't sacrifice your time. Use your money as a sacrifice and not your time. Write that down. Okay? So here we go. Life is short. Stop wasting time / your life. When you waste time, you're wasting your life. When you waste time, you're wasting your life. Okay? So, in order for you to set aside the necessary time to be successful in SMMA, ladies and gentlemen, you must understand how important your time is. Most of you guys are wasting time on social media, hours. Most of you guys are wasting precious hours browsing your phone, on Instagram, watching TV, sleeping too much, eating the wrong foods, and it's wearing you out and it's wasting your time. Okay, this is important. Okay, if you're going to be successful in any business, ladies and gentlemen, okay, you have to put forth the time in order to build that business to the level that you want it. Okay, so SMMA is going to require your time. Now, most people say, well, Maurice, I don't have time. Well, you don't have time to make $10,000 a month. That's essentially what you're saying. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you want the clients and you want the money, you got to say to yourself, well, duh, I got to put in the time. I got to work the phone. I got to get on the phone. I got to buy the courses. I got to go through the courses. I have to apply what I'm learning. Okay, this is important stuff. Now, what gave me my epiphany, okay, when I was slaving at a warehouse, working for someone else, being overworked and underpaid, ladies and gentlemen, is I realized if I can give this 9-to-5 job 8 hours, okay, I can definitely give myself a couple hours a day to build this agency. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you can spend 8 hours building somebody else's dream, why can't you spend 1 to 2 hours or even 4 hours a day building your own dreams? Think about that. Most of you guys go and work for $10, $12, $13 an hour, but yet you won't go and put forth 2 to 3 hours a day to make you 6 figures or $20,000 a month. Ladies and gentlemen, that just don't make sense. We have to get our priorities in place. Okay, this is important, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to set aside time for your SMMA, it must be a priority. What is a priority? It's on the top shelf, okay? It's at the top of the list. And so what I did here is what I want you guys to commit to. I want you to watch this video over and over and over again, because a lot of you guys are going to get off track. You're going to start wasting time, and this video is going to slap you back into the proper position, your proper placing, to make sure you're executing daily to get and hit your goals, okay? So first thing is set aside 1 hour per day, okay? Monday through Friday as your wealth hour, okay? Now, I didn't say 2, but just 1 hour. I want you to discipline yourself. I want you to create a habit. A body in motion tends to stay in motion. A body at rest tends to stay at rest. Ladies and gentlemen, if you cannot do this, okay, you will not be successful in SMMA. You won't be successful in no business, because it's going to require you to prioritize your day, okay? Meaning most of you guys are working 9-to-5 jobs. I get it. So that's going to be at the top of your list. And then the next thing is going to be your wealth hour. What time is going to be your wealth hour? So if you, let's say you get up in the morning at 6 o'clock, you get off at 2. Come home, get you something to eat, say hi to your husband and wife, your kids, or whatever. If you're single, that's fine. Maybe take a 20, 30-minute nap, but you get up and you set aside that wealth hour. You put your phone on, okay? I want you to use this phone positively, not negatively. I want you to get rid of all the Instagram apps, the Facebook apps, the YouTube apps. I want you to get rid of everything, okay? And I want you to set aside an hour. Turn your timer on for 1 hour, okay? If you have an iPhone, you guys know I want you to do this. Just put it on 1 hour. Let me do it right now. All right? Live and in living color. That's 1 hour. Set that puppy for 1 hour. All right? And that's the hour you make your cold calls. All right? You follow up. Okay? Maybe you take 20 or 30 minutes to go through a course or watch a YouTube video. But then you pick up the phone and you prospect. You guys know the number one thing to get clients is you got to prospect. A lot of you guys aren't prospecting, okay? But you do this Monday through Friday. You set it as a priority. Everything else comes next, okay? Because let's think about it. Most of you guys never let anything get interfere with your 9-to-5 job and going to that job, because you know if you don't go to that job, you can be kicked out of the street. You can lose your home. Your lights get turned off. You won't have any money, okay? The list it goes on and on, okay? But it's the same thing with, you got to think of the consequences of losing your job, but think of the consequences of not going after your dreams and goals, okay? Let's think about it. You'll be working for somebody else the rest of your life. You'll be working the 40-40 plan. 40 hours to live on 40% of your income and not enjoying the life. Basically, essentially, you're selling your soul, basically, to somebody else to build somebody else's dream. We call it the 40-40 plan, okay? All right, not being able to take those trips and vacations and not have that mega bank account, okay? Not be able to get your wife or husband or kids the finer things in life, the college and all the things that you ever wanted. Maybe it's a new car, maybe it's a new boat, maybe it's a new home, whatever it is. Think about all the things you sacrifice by not setting aside the time and setting your time as a priority to work your SMMA business. The number one problem most people have is they say, Maurice, I don't have time. Ladies and gentlemen, you do have time, okay? You're just wasting it. So what I want you to do next is schedule your days. Get a calendar, okay? Schedule it in Monday through Friday. Right in there, SMMA, okay? This is what I'm going to do. Monday at 1 o'clock or whenever you get off. If you work early in the morning and you get off late, then ladies and gentlemen, on your way home, on the weekends, whatever you have to do, put in the time. Put in 5 hours a day to work your SMMA. That rhymes. 5 hours a day to work your SMMA. 5 hours a day to work your SMMA. That's what I want you guys to commit to, okay? Schedule it in. You guys can go online right now, get a Google Calendar for free, okay? Attach it to your phone, link it to your phone, or link it to your iPhone or your Android, all right? And schedule it in. And don't go to bed, okay? Discipline yourself. Don't go to bed. Don't lay your head on that pillow until you've put in the hours. Okay, you did what you were supposed to do. You set that thing as a priority. And ladies and gentlemen, if you do this, you're going to find yourself getting more clients. You're going to find yourself making more money. And then you're going to find yourself firing your job. See, what I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, it gives you options. Most of you guys love working your job. That's fine. But those that want to get out of a 9-to-5 job, this is it. You set your SMMA as a priority. That's why you guys don't have the time. That's why you guys are saying, Maurice, I'm busy. I have this going on. No, you just don't have your priorities in order. What I want you guys to do is get your priorities in order. And when you get your priorities in order, guess what? You're going to make money in SMMA. It's going to happen for you. You're going to have the time to go through the courses and apply them. You're going to apply what you learn. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you get more time in the day. You set it as a priority. You make it important. The reason why your SMMA is not generating you any money, you haven't made it important. And the things that are not important in your life, ladies and gentlemen, you don't reap any benefits from. If you don't make your health important as a priority, then eventually it'll deteriorate. You'll be sick and you'll end up dying before your time. If you don't take care of your car and get your oil changed, or take care of your home, your clothes and all that type of stuff, they'll deteriorate. It'll break down on you. And that so many people have broken down SMMA agency is because they don't commit, they don't set it as a priority, and they're not doing anything, okay, on a consistent basis to get them to their dreams and their goals. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it. I hope this video has been of immense value to you. If it has, make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what you thought. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Help with the algorithm. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. And if you guys need help, you need more mind hacks, click the link in the description. You can sign up for the ICP course as well as coaching. If you guys been doing SMMA for a while and you just can't tend to stick to a schedule, click the link in the description. Sign up for some one-on-one coaching so someone can hold you accountable. I believe you guys are missing accountability too. Okay? See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.